Okay, let there be light. So we're gonna put the lights up now. Okay, now the heat map. You can set the temperature, whatever you want. It'll just expedite the germination, particularly for the peppers, they say. So, that's that. Built the trap door. They're gonna put a toilet in here, and they just left a big hole, so I had to fill that in. I'm gonna put the electric in now. I'm gonna go from here across the top, and that was for a porch light they put in 25 years ago that we don't use. So I'm just gonna take that power from there, bring it across and down. Coming along. Okay, we have power. I have a profound respect for electricians and plumbers. It's so hard to work below and dust coming down in your eyes. That wire is so stiff, putting it in the box. They have a hard job. But I've got power to my seeding closet now. Okay, so the grow closet is complete. These top ones are on that timer there, but I have separate timers for the bottom because they'll be on different times. In the beginning, when you first plant them, you need them on 16 hours, but then after that you go to 12 hours and sometimes even to 10. So I've got my heat mat, which is all along here, and this is the probe that you put into the soil, and then you set whatever temperature you want. I got a temperature and humidity gauge, but it's complete. That will be the one time where this timer will control these top two, but then I have other timers behind there that will control the bottom, so I can put them on all different times. But my grow closet is complete. Now in January, February, hopefully I'll get some plants. I'm gonna do my annuals, my perennials, which I'm gonna start doing in the yard, and then also all my vegetables. Wow, that was quick germination. Just 3 days. Oh, too much. Look at that. They're almost all up except for the one row. Just in 3 days. Awesome.